Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the time zone in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so if you want to change the time zone in the Google Sheets because you are working with dates and time, here's how to do it. So as you can see, we have this project management sheet and we have some nice project management table with start date and time and so on and so forth. So it's really important for us to use the correct time zone we are in, or we have to use another time zone that is different from our computer time zone. So all you have to do is, if you want to change the time zone, is to click on the file in the menu bar, then select settings from this drop down list, and as you can see under locale you're gonna see time zone, and you can see you can basically select any time zone that is available on Earth. And once you have selected the right time zone, just click on save settings and your time zone will be changed to that one. And keep in mind that this will affect all time-related functions, and your spreadsheet's history will be recorded in that time zone as well. So notice how you can change the time zone in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.